Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bluehost for WordPress monetization setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Register for a Bluehost account if you haven't already. Choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Fill in your domain name during the registration process. Complete the personal and payment details to finalize your account creation. Log into your Bluehost dashboard after your account is set up. Navigate to the My Sites tab to start creating your WordPress site. Click on the Create Site button to initiate the WordPress installation process. Enter your website's name and tagline in the setup form. Choose the desired WordPress theme from the available options. Click on Next to proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish, and then click Start Building. Access your new WordPress site by clicking the Log into WordPress. Familiarize yourself with the WordPress dashboard upon logging in. Install essential plugins for monetization, such as SEO and analytics plugins. Go to the Plugins section in the dashboard and click Add New. Search for the plugins you want and click Install Now followed by Activate. Configure your SEO plugin to optimize your site for search engines. Create engaging content by adding new posts and pages to your site. Set up Google AdSense for ad monetization by signing up and getting approved. Copy the AdSense code provided and paste it in your WordPress site. Go to Appearance and then Widgets to add the AdSense code to the desired widget areas. Consider affiliate marketing by joining affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Add affiliate links within your content to increase potential earnings. Utilize social media channels to promote your content and drive traffic. Regularly monitor your website's analytics to understand visitor behavior and improve engagement. Stay updated with the latest WordPress and monetization strategies to maximize your setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.